morning, y'all. It's your boy Judge J21X on YouTube once again. I want to say good morning to each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today, guys, we're here at Caffeine and Octane car show in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, hosted by the boy Street Kings himself. He always throw a good show out here. So with that being said, without further ado, let's just get right into it, y'all. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with y'all friends, family, whoever. I'm gonna get up to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and let's just get right into the video, y'all. Here we go, y'all. So right over here, y'all, we have the Subaru right here, starting off the first lineup, and we have a Nissan 350Z right here in this candy red, and we also have the Charger I brought out this morning as well to Baton Rouge, and the Challenger right here, the girl herself, with a really nice green Challenger. So we got the Mustang lineup over here. Never thought it would be possible to even see that. We also have the 5.0 Mustang on some nice wheels, nice rims. And then over here we have the Shelby GT350. Love to see that out as well. Check this out, y'all. Got a very nice Camaro right here, number 95 cam. Might have a cam under that hood, y'all. You never know, but this is really nice in that color silver. So right over here, y'all, we have the 5.0 Mustang right here. Never thought we would even see this guy out, of course, with the red with the black stripes, with some nice wheels. Very nice seeing that out. So right over here, y'all, we have the Shelby GT500 right here. Very nice seeing that. And then we got a number of solution of motorcycles. This is wild. Look at that. Got all the bikes right here in numbers. Got this one right here in that very nice red. Got this one over there, I see. We'll walk over here. I got more bikes. Got this one right here. Got this one. To all my bike lovers that love bikes, here's some bikes for y'all. Got more bikes over here. There's like a solution of them, man. Like there's a whole decent amount that's out today. It's crazy even seeing that. This one is crazy with the flowers I see. So right over here, y'all, we have the GTR right here. We've seen many times. It's got the carbon hood, green calipers. Very nice seeing that. If y'all want to follow him on the Instagram, y'all, there's his Instagram right here if y'all want to follow him. Check this out, y'all. Got the SRT8 right there. This thing sounds so crazy, man. Holy cow. Check this out, y'all. Got this thing rolling up with these stickers I see. That's the same car we've seen many times. Finally pulling up, a GMC. Check this out, y'all. Got a very nice looking Chevy Chevelle right here rolling up. Very nice seeing that out as well. And the Nissan 350Z, the Forza Horizon Motorsports Edition. Check this out, y'all. Got my boy here with his SRT8 I see out tonight. Well, to this morning, actually. Sorry. Very nice in that beautiful purple. And then we have the C706 right here. And then over here we have the boys with the slammed out C5 Corvette. Very nice seeing that. And over here we have the C8 Stingray. Well, this is an E-Ray. Sorry. This is the C8 E-Ray. Look like a Z06, but it's an E-Ray. And then we also have the Lexus right here. Very nice slam to the ground. Got the ball with the FRS right here with the black stripes I see. And then we also have another FRS right here in that beautiful silver color. Got the Nissan 350Z right here. And then we have this Charger. I believe this is our RT up 345. Probably a last call. We got the 5.0 Mustang with the GT500 track pack wing. And we got this BMW. I believe this is an M3. One of the best sounding V8s you'll ever hear on the BMW. And we have this Infiniti right there. Nice. Check this out, y'all. Got a very crazy looking purple Racer BMW. And then we also have the RT Stamp right here as well. Very nice seeing that as well. We got the Honda Civic Type R right here, and then we have this truck right here, this very nice looking Toyota as well I see. That's also in the lineup as well. Very nice seeing that in that black. Check this out, y'all. Got this Camaro SS right here. Y'all pretty much heard it whenever time he was rolling in when I was recording the lineup down there. But this thing sounds extremely crazy. And I can tell it's definitely pushing a whole lot of power with all that tire he got in the back. Check this out, y'all. Got the Ford Z with the motorcycle. Check this out, y'all. I got the Chevy GT500 right here. I haven't seen this thing in forever too. This thing is really nice in that black, that matte black. Check this out, y'all. I got the M Mark 5 Super right here, rolling up right here, nice in that white. And we also have the ZL1 right here as well in that very nice candy apple red. Check this out, y'all. Got a C7 Z06 right here that just rolled in. I see nice. Check this out, y'all. Got a 5.0 Mustang right here rolling up. Very cool. The 360 cam out back. So we got the electric charger out. I see this morning as well. Never thought I would see him out actually. Haven't seen him in a while. But he's out this morning actually, parked next to my car. So right over here, y'all, we have the SRT Hellcat right here, nice, and that all black with the gold brown wheels. Love seeing that out as well this morning. Check this out, y'all. Got a Fox body right here. That's what sounds really good for a Fox body. Listen at that. Got a Subaru rolling in right here with those gold brown wheels, nice. Got a biker right here rolling up, I see, very nice in that white and black. Got this RT Scat right here rolling up with the purple and black, I see. Very nice seeing that out as well this morning, pulled in. Got this orange Cadillac right there rolling up, I see. Very nice in that orange. Check this out, y'all. Got this 5.0 Mustang that just rolled up. This dude pulled up loud and rowdy for what I heard. And got these wheels, I see. Got the ball rolling up with the Super right here. Very nice seeing that as well in that all black. Love to see that out as well. Here these guys are, the boy Jay with the Z06 and the Mustang. Rowdy boys, and we got the Fox body. We'll see what this guy go do. right there. I thought he would do something, but he didn't. Still a cool car to see though. Yeah, that's RT. That's a BMW right there, really nice one. Got this Charger right here that I've never seen in this color before. It's a brown with a crazy looking stripe. That's impressive. They're probably gonna hit it right there. All right, y'all, we're about to head out. We got the 5 Mustang right here in that yellow we've seen many times at this show. And we got the woman herself driving the EcoBoost, very nice in that white. And we got my boy right there about to head out. Yup. And then we got the Camaro SS down there in that silver. But I'm about to shoot out, y'all.